BAML, an INR 18,500 crore specialty steel manufacturer, saw its EBITDA margin fall from 14% to 16% in a single year, not due to demand, not due to operations, but because of completely unmanaged financial risks. Today, we walk you through the EY framework of our team designed to fix that. BAML procures 1.2 million tons of iron ore and 1,600,000 tons of cooking oil annually, entirely at spot prices. There is no hedge policy, no formal FX management, and a USD 150 million floating rate loan, sitting completely unhedged. The consequences are measurable. Inventory days bloated from 48 to 71. Customers' penalties were incurred due to the supply chain disruption, and with raw material comprising 55% of production cost, every price moved flows directly into margin. Our solution has 4 parts. Part A applies the EY 4-step commodity risk management process to BAML. We identified and classified every exposure, iron ore, cooking oil, alloy metals, frets, then qualified them. A 1% move in iron ore price alone represents an INR 12 crore P&L impact. We then designed a layered hedging structure, 80% exchange furthers from 0 to 3 months horizon, 60% OTC fixed floating swap from 3 to 12 months, and put operations activated when prices move more than 10% above budget. Part B formalizes FX and interest rate policy. BAML has a natural USD long exposure of $140 million that have previously unrecognized. We formalize that netting to reduce unnecessary hedge cost and recommend converting the USD 150 million floating loan to fixed rate via an interest rate swap. The highest single ROI action is this engagement. Part 3 is scenario analysis. We modeled 3 independent shocks. Iron ore up by 15%, INR depreciating to 88, and then fret rising to 20%. And then all 3 simultaneously. Under the combined stress scenario, an unhedged BAML sees margin collapse to 9.7%. With our hedges applied, the protected margin holds at almost 11%. Part D moves beyond risk, migration into value creation. Index-linked suppliers contracts, a safety stock model, then brings inventory from 71 down to 40 days. Under real-time commodity dashboard with automated hedge triggers integrated via Bloomberg and Platts APIs. The financial impact is concrete. EY framework protecting EBITDA at approximately 11%, even under the worst-case combined stress scenario. The inventory optimization alone released INR 350 to 500 crore in working capital, effectively self-funding the hedging program without additional capital outlay. Our 12 months implementation roadmap is sequenced in 4 phases: governance and policy first, then hedge execution, then analytics infrastructure, and finally full value creation review. The target outcome restoring EBITDA margin to 13 to 14% over the program horizon. To summarize our 4 recommendations, implement the EY 4-step risk process, deploy layered ETD and OTC hedging, formalize the natural FX hedges, and convert the floating loan, optimize inventory and suppliers concentration, and build the data infrastructure for proactive risk monitoring. BAML's risk exposure is significant, but it is manageable. With structured governance, the right instrument, and the disciplined execution, this engagement delivers both margin protection and meaningful working capital value. Thank you.